Hey guys! Today I will be showing you my railroad crossing in Create a Cart Ride. So here is a traffic light with railroad crossing lights. I added it because we are going to turn and it lets us know if a train is coming. Now to the actual crossing. They are quite big just like real life. Sadly this game lights and gates don't function. Unlike Theme Park Tycoon 2. But that one turned out interesting. Anyways, here's the other crossing. Basically they are the same, because I copy and pasted them. And also I made this. I forgot what it was called though. Anyways, hope y'all like it.
When you hear the flashbang, open your eyes.